We'll guide you through how to download and install the Facebook app on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So Facebook is a social media platform. It's one of the most popular out there. You can go and post things and you can go and have friends on there and go and see their posts as well as go and follow pages and other famous people as well. It's quite a few different things to it, but we'll guide you through how you can download and install it. So make sure it's this full guide and let's go and dive straight into this. So to get started with this, you do need to go and have an internet connection because of course we're downloading it. So you may be connected to a Wi-Fi router, or you can go and use cellular or mobile data. You can go and check if you're connected by swiping up. Then we need to go and find settings. So I'll swipe across here and go and find it. It should usually be on the first page. You can always go and search for it at the top. Then what you need to do is by default, you're going to be on the main settings page. Come to the top and find connections. Then you can go and find Wi-Fi and you can go and tap on it and you can go and connect to a network. I already am connected. So after you've now got an internet connection, we can get into the next step. So we need to go and open up where we can go and download apps. So Android phone, you should go and have the Play Store. You may need to go and swipe up in order to go and find it on the app pages and find it. Otherwise, you can always go and press search and go and type in the Play Store like so. What we need to do is make sure you've got a Google account. As this is the Google Play Store, you need to go and use a Google account to go and use the Google Play Store. So go to the top right and you can go and tap there and you can go and see I'm signed in. I'm using this account here. You can if you aren't already. Now, what we need to do is go and find Facebook. So what you can do is go to the bottom here and you can go and press search. And then at the top here, you can tap on the search bar and you want to go and type in Facebook. So I'll type that in now. And as you can see, there it is. Go and tap on it. You can go and notice the right one because you can tap on it. It's got 172 million reviews, 10 billion downloads. So what you can do is go and press install like so. It's now downloading and installing. Go and be patient. When it's finished, you can go and open it up. Otherwise, we can close out of this and go and swipe up and then keep swiping across. And then we can find Facebook. You can tap and hold your finger on it and you can then go and press add to home. And there it is. And we can then open it up and go and use it.